everyone, welcome to Maths this week. Next week we're going to be learning about adding, and we haven't done adding yet in year 1, so this is going to be a new concept that the children are going to be learning about. They've done it in reception, but we're just stretching their learning more as they're in year 1. So we're going to be looking at small compositions of numbers, and it's basically how many different ways is a number made up to 10, so all the numbers up to 10. And next week our symbols are going to be adding, equals. We've got the part whole model, which we will look at more next week. Add together, make, total amount, and part whole model. Now, if you're watching at home, what you can do over the weekend is try and draw a model like this. So we've got 2 at the top, that's our whole, and then our whole is separated into parts. So this is the part, and this is the part. So what we're going to be doing is seeing how many different ways can we make the number 2. So you could do this with pasta, cereal, anything you've got in your house that's small little loose parts to add them together. So first of all, the number that we're going to make is 2. 1, 2. How many different ways can you make 2? I could do 1, add 1. So 1 add 1 equals 2. Is there any other way I can make this? Just need to have a little bit of a thought. I could do 0 add 2 equals 2. I don't think there's any more ways that I can do this. So if I was going to write this in a part whole model, I would say 2 is the whole, 0 is the part, and 2 is the part. Or I could go back to what we did before, where we had 2 is the whole, 1 is the part, 1 is the part. So 1 add 1 makes 2. Fantastic. So once you've done that, you can move up the number scale. You can do any number up to 10. So let's say we've done 3. Shall we try 5? So say that we might have done 3, we might have done 4 with different objects in the room. Let's try 5. So 5 is our whole. So what then you need to do is get 5 loose things that you can move around at a table or wherever you're sat at home. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fantastic. I've got 5 things I have made. 5. 5 is my whole. Right, now we're going to see how many different ways can we make 5. So how many numbers add together to make 5? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to work quite strategically. I'm going to do, I've got 0 add 5 equals 5. That's one way. I could do, let's rub that out, get a bigger rubber. I could do 1 add 1, 2, 3, 4. I could do 1 add 4 equals 5. And if I was going to write this in my part whole model, I could say 5 is the whole, 1 is a part, and 4 is the part. Lovely. And then I could find out more ways. So, right, we've done 1, we've done 0 add 5 equals 5. We've done 1 add 4 equals 5. I wonder if there's any more ways. I'm going to put 2 together now. So, 2 add 3 equals 5. And then you can put that in your part whole model. 5 is the whole, 2 is the part, and 3 is the part. Because 2 add 3 makes 5. Fantastic. Are there any other ways? Let's see. 3 add 2 makes 5. We've already used those numbers before, so I think that's all we could do for 5. Of course, you could do 4 add 1 as well, but when you put them in the part-whole model, we've already used those numbers. We could have 5 add 0, but we've already used those numbers in the part-whole model. See how many you can do with any number up to 10. Try not to go beyond 10 though, because it's quite a lot. Fantastic. Good luck with this at home.